Hey everyone, this is Chris over at BMW Freeport, and today I'm going to be going over how to use the remote engine start in the 2021 BMW X5 M50. Before we begin, select the menu button, preconditioning and ventilation, remote engine start, and make sure that starting engine for climate control is checked off. Then just grab your key fob, press the lock button, and hold on the third click. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact us over at BMW Freeport, located at 291 West Sunrise Highway, Freeport, New York. Have a great day, and stay safe.